Global marketing and marketing are converging rapidly. With the upward push of social media, agencies are actually capable of putting it on the market their services and products in a number of approaches, from Facebook ads to TikTok advertisements. In truth, the common logo is spending $750 $2,499 per month on marketing and marketing. Facebook ads versus TikTok ads. Let's examine Facebook ads versus TikTok ads and what makes them different. What are Facebook ads? Facebook advertisements are a shape of online commercials that seems on locations like a user's Facebook newsfeed and may be centered on particular audiences. The numbers communicate for themselves too. 93% of social media entrepreneurs use Facebook ads to develop their logos. Facebook ads display up in regions just like the news feed because of this, that it's now no longer going to trouble readers who aren't interested in what you're promoting. In addition, if a person clicks on an advert from their telecell smartphone even as scrolling via their feed, they'll robotically visit your internet site once they click on open link or some other CTA button in case you install the advert to do so. This makes use of app to internet deep linking and enables growth in site visitors due to the fact human beings won't want to go away from Facebook to get records approximately a service or product earlier than buying it, which enables enhanced conversions. Facebook ads advantages. So, what are the advantages of the use of Facebook ads? Facebook is the most important social media platform inside the globe with over 1 billion month-to-month customers. With a target market like that, any e-trade enterprise can pressure huge sales and fulfillment whilst used correctly. Also, hold in thoughts which you benefit get admission to Instagram ads via Facebook's platform. This lets you attain extra cap potential clients and put it on the market on a couple of channels as soon as. Here are a few blessings for the use of Facebook advertisements. You can attain a totally particular institution of human beings way too uniquely concentrated on alternatives, demographics, interests, etc. Targeting alternatives permit agencies to use one advert marketing campaign throughout a couple of audiences, which will increase publicity and decreases fees as soon as. Facebook has effective retargeting abilities that let you maximize your advert dollars. If you want specialists to control your campaigns, take a look at those Facebook advertising groups and Instagram advertising groups. Facebook ads disadvantages. Okay. There's no such aspect as an excellent marketing and marketing channel. The largest drawback of Facebook ads is that it calls for a variety of guide paintings. You ought to install your advert, choose the target market and select what you need them to do. If you don't, then there's no manner for each person else however yourself to recognize what number of human beings are clicking in your advertisements or going via together along with your preferred movement. It may be very time eating in case you're simply beginning out. That's why it's smart to rent a PPC control corporation like Profitable Ads, as we've controlled tens of thousands and thousands of greenbacks in advert spending for our clients. Facebook ads cost. How a lot of cash you spend on Facebook ads relies upon numerous factors. This consists of the target market you're concentrating on, the bidding model, advert first class, expected movement of Facebook customers, and extra. Here are a few key records to hold in thoughts from our Facebook ads benchmarks article. The common go back on advert spending is 610x. The common click on via charge is 0.90%. The common conversion charge is 9.21%, amazing, right? The common fee consistent with movement is 18.68%. The common fee consistent with click on is 1.72%. According to WebFX, Facebook ads commonly have a 97-cent fee consistent with click on and $7.19 consistent with 1,000 impressions. Keep that during thoughts whilst evaluating them to TikTok ads. That brings me to my subsequent point. What are TikTok ads? TikTok advertisements are a manner to get your logo in front of human beings even as they're developing or looking for video content material on TikTok. And with over 1 billion month-to-month energetic customers, it's a channel you don't need to overlook out on. You can both make a cutting-edge advert particularly for TikTok like many agencies do with Facebook and Instagram ads, or you could re-motive current innovation that's been validated a success on different channels. TikTok ads advantages. Why need to your logo put money into TikTok ads? They are an exquisite manner to attain a target market that has been proven to be notably receptive and attentive to advertisements. Additionally, TikTok's wonderful top-of-funnel metrics, like time spent looking at video content material, make it simpler for manufacturers big and small to degree the fulfillment in their marketing campaign. Finally, there's a low barrier of access due to the fact you could without a doubt create or re-motive current innovation as opposed to developing something from scratch. Because of this, that extra finances will pass toward advertising in place of manufacturing fees. TikTok ads disadvantages. The large TikTok drawback will be the truth that it's new because of this, that now no longer a lot of statistics to be had approximately its abilities as compared to different famous social media structures which include Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. If you're developing movies from scratch, it could take a big quantity of assets to provide excessive first-class content material. Compared to Facebook ads, there's additionally a restricting quantity of codecs you could leverage. TikTok ads cost. The common fee of a TikTok advert is $10 consistent with 1,000 perspectives or $1 consistent with 1,000 impressions. They additionally require that you spend at least $500 on a marketing campaign. Compared to its competitor, Facebook ads handiest require you to pay $1 per day for impression primarily based totally campaigns or $5 per day for clicks, likes, video perspectives, etc. Facebook ads are less expensive, however hold in thoughts your target market concentrated on influences this greatly. Final thoughts on Facebook ads versus TikTok ads. Facebook ads and TikTok ads are exquisite channels for writing consciousness and income. However, which one is higher for your enterprise? While TikTok ads have a better advance fee, they frequently are extra low cost over the lengthy term. Facebook ads gives extra capabilities and the capacity to put it on the market on Instagram though. We advocate checking out TikTok ads even as they're reasonably priced and new. As we noticed with Facebook and different structures, they are able to skyrocket as soon as human beings begin identifying the platform. You need to additionally check Facebook to peer in the event that they paintings to your logo. Apply to emerge as a profitable ads purchaser in case you'd like global magnificence media shoppers to control all your paid campaigns.